Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! I'm back again with another hair makeup transformation video. That's what we do here. We get people popping. So I've got my beautiful model, so I'm going to be doing her hair and her makeup. Of course, I'll be installing her wig. Okay, this hair always comes to me in bundle, so I made a wig. And yes, you can send your hair to me and I'm going to make your wig. So if you buy your hair from Lakihair, use my promo code up there, send your wig to me and I'm going to make your wig. So yeah, Lakihair is one of those hair that I've used in the past and I love them. Customer service is very good. So guys, if you want to see what we are up to and if you want to see what we're going to be doing, stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm at Beautician Chick's studio today and I'm going to get glammed up and I'm so excited. Let's see what she's going to do to me. Does it look just the same without the cap?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If the tinting comes out great, I don't feel like a cap is needed.
That's the big cap. It's not a long story. You cut the cap, you do those.
Because I'm not doing all of that spray down.
I know, tell me about it.
To me, it's not needed.
You put the cap, you cut it to your head, you glue it down.
Yeah, no, I don't bother with that.
Guess who grew her hair? This hair, she's like baby hair these days. I grew her hair, you know.
You remember Chichi when I came?
You can't even do nothing with her hair, you know.
Like, my hair used to have it short. I used to have my hair very short and it was relaxed and I used to have it toned. Yeah? Perfect. And Chichi
such a good model now. Hair. Such a good model.
The raw temple hair. You know,
oh wow. It's popping. But this blue rocks. It's not bad.
Because you can get a lot of use. What's that?
Yeah. The writing is a little bit. Yeah. You should join the wig gang.
She's got one wig that I made her, and she annoys me with it all the time.
Oh my god.
Get a sewing machine like what I have, and that way if anything goes wrong I will know what to do.
Oh my god.
Because I've learned, I've had to learn all of the issues. Now I know that if this doesn't work, I know what to look for. And it's taken me a long time.
It can be frustrating if something is not working.
It was there was one day I was on there for 3 hours trying to fix it, trying to figure it out, and all it was is that the needle was bent. How does that look?
Girl. Yeah. Let's me out. Let's see.
I'm just showing off.
Oh, don't even start. Don't even start.
I'm just showing off.
Well.
Great goalkeeping.
Yeah, and better off like this. Handsy. No.
That's what I use now. I don't use Mac anymore. And I was going to bring it, you know, but I thought no, Chichi's got everything.
Well,
that would be
fun.
That would be really.
Really?
put my colour on and wasn't it fun?
Oh no, mine looks like I'm not wearing makeup, but my skin looks amazing.
Well, you know, I think maybe because we makeup artists, we like to do it to show that you're wearing makeup. We like it to be like overly covered.
Well, I only use, you know that you can build up with it, so I only use that one layer. I don't build unless I'm going out, which I don't do very often.
See the makeup collector right here.
Can you?
Yeah, hello.
Okay.
Oh God.
Are you supposed to even be in the shot, Imaya?
When you're blaring, I can see it. You have to book like in a month. But since I have an, I can actually book the next day. Or maybe 2 days, 3 days. Before, God, that's the time you messaged me you guys wanted to travel. You know that time, all those I don't have her then. It was too busy that I just had to get her from those.
I just did a crochet.
I like the question. I don't know the style to it. It's your favourite.
So then why don't you do some like half crochet and half twist?
Still gonna play for the style light. I think I've mastered that. If I'm doing your makeup, I'm not doing like proper makeover. I'm gonna use 45 because I know I'm not gonna contour, highlight, you know, all those things. But if I'm doing highlight and contour, just go with one shade.
That, you know, that's the longest hair that I've had, those two. And I think there might be another one. I'm sure there's another one somewhere, but I haven't made a wig out of it.
Okay.
But those hair are the best hair. Even Natalie said she's got hair that she bought from you and it's the best hair. So it might not be Indian or whatever it is, but whatever it is, it's the best hair I've ever had. It doesn't tangle.
I don't know, just a shame. I just don't want to deal with those hair selling things because now the companies. Wow.
Just make my face look slimmer.
Yes, this is why I like using this. I can always focus from here. Can do whatever from here. Oh wow. This is a good. I didn't use the lighter one for the foundation. Remember what I said?
Yeah.
So now it makes sense, isn't it? So now let me say it. You have to make sure you send this video to everyone.
England right now.
Okay.
We've got a goal, but they say that Croatia's got most of the possession of the ball. Croatia has the ball more than we do.
So how you doing somebody volleyball?
But we've already got a goal when they get to the goal.
What's happening with my phone?
Volleyball is cool. England's got a goal. They're on half time.
English fans. Immigrant kids.
It's just got, for me, it has to be France or England to win.
Why?
Do you know what I mean? Like half the team. So that's how that's how I look at it.
Not even go with you there. She's gonna be living with you.
Of course.
You see?
Oh my god.
You see?
Chi, you know how I like my place.
I know, very neat.
She's
I'm not even that messy. You're just OCD.
Yeah, yours is nice and subtle because it's the same. Then when I finish, I will not go with the black at the end.
Let's sleep on my back.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Maybe they're not winning. That's why she's crying.
It makes me stressed when
Are
they
you
get
guys
money.
winning?
When they get when they get
Beyonce, a new bag.
these
Seriously,
commentators are funny.
commenting.
Yeah. The Daily Mail they're the worst for it.
Oh god, everyone just on the floor.
You know what we can do? We take our fabulous picture. Then we can now clean up a little of the eye.
I love
Croatia. Lakihair.
Nothing looking nice. Oh my god. We are ready. Ooh, oh my god. Well, I don't blame you. Don't wash this face.
this is not coming off for about a week. You're going to see still
Oh,
see
dear.
it with makeup.
No. Oh,
What?
no.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay, so let's go back to our dark powder. So when you clean this thing, you go back to your dark powder, then
It's already no fun to get the cup, but if it, if England wins, you still have high blood pressure.
3
tomorrow.
minutes. That face is looking snatch.
What England?
How many minutes?
3 minutes. They're like, whoever is going to lose today, they're going to play a match with them against Belgium and the sea, because you know they have gold, bronze, and silver. Or is it whatever? But England wins, that beat Belgium. The fan brush.
So Mary's your makeup artist now. Really?
I've got the Fenty highlighter brush, one with a curve brush. My mum didn't even know it was me.
Oh my god.
Like, she's like, oh here, look, I didn't even know it was you.
Oh my god.
Look at my beautiful daughter.
Oh, I love
Mum,
that.
how do you not know it's me? I didn't
My
even have
God.
makeup on.
You just realize I don't.
Yeah, no one is better.
Okay, let's see. You see?
It is very white.
Oh my god. Don't know he'll oh, money should take care of her voice. He goes to see his wife every now and then. You still use your lady.
I haven't for a while.
I didn't use it because my teeth are I just did my teeth now.
Look at a tooth.
Yeah, my front one is fake now. I have fake teeth.
So why did you take it out?
Because it came out.
Oh.
Why you taking that long to say that? Ew, is that you? Is that you? Looking like some real housewife.
Myself.
Looking like some he's not a hip hop girl.
Throwing shoes and I'm not throwing handbag.
Why though?
I'm just gonna pick up anything
Oh dear.
sharp.
Oh my god.
Just sharp.
So you're not gonna throw a handbag?
No, I'm not throwing my expensive handbag.
Oh my.
Hey guys, here's the finished look. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Nice long sleek hair. My makeup is to die for. Beautiful. Thank you, Chi.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and of course you can follow me on Instagram to see the lovely pictures. Okay, so yeah, link to Lakihair is going to be in the description box, and you can use my promo code up here. Lakihair is good quality or good quality. The link is going to be down below in the description box. Check them out. And guys, do not forget to enter for my giveaway. Link is going to be under this video as well, my monthly giveaway. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.